Hi, my name is Manuel, and I'm one of over 500 employee investors here at Gregg Distributors. Today, I want to talk to you about Vises. No, not your personal vices. Pipe vices like these. On this episode of Gear Up with Gregg, we're going to discuss the different types of pipe vices and how they make your job easier. A pipe vise is a tool that is used to hold a pipe securely so it can be cut, threaded, welded, or assembled. So whether you're in a workshop or out in the field, these things really come in handy. There are two main types of vices, chain and yoke. A chain pipe vise uses, you guessed it, a chain to secure the pipe in place. This high tensile steel chain loops over the pipe and is locked in place. Then, the crank handle is used to apply holding pressure to the pipe between the chain and the jaws of the tool. There are 6 main components in the chain pipe vise. The jaws, the chain, the crank handle, the pipe rest, the pipe bender, and the frame. Chain vices come in 2 styles, bench mount and a portable tripod style. A tripod style vise is great for working on the go and has useful extras like a fold-out table to hold additional tools or lubricating oil. Once you have your vise set up, rest your section of pipe on the vise, with the end you want to work on resting on the jaws and the rest of the pipe seated on the pipe rest. At this point, depending on how long your pipe is, you might need some extra support from a pipe stand. Now, wrap the chain around the pipe, making sure to carefully secure it in between the jaws. The last step is to turn the crank handle until the chain has tightened around the pipe, enough to keep it firmly in place. This allows you to work on creating threads or cutting lengths without the hazard of a wobbly pipe. Hinge pipe vices, also known as yoke pipe vices, hold the pipe in between 2 V-shaped jaws. The lower jaw is fixed in place, but the upper jaw moves to accommodate the size of pipe you are using. However, be careful not to use the vise for pipes larger than it's rated for. Otherwise, you might end up with a damaged or broken pipe vise. Most hinged pipe vices are clamped to a bench and are used in a permanent location, such as a workshop. There are 4 main parts to a hinged pipe vise: the jaws, the Tommy bar, the handle, and the base. To use a hinged vise, turn the Tommy bar counterclockwise until the jaws open. Once the jaws are open, you can open the vise. Now, you can position your pipe on the lower jaw and close the vise. Turn the Tommy bar clockwise until the upper jaw is making firm contact with the pipe. And that's it, you're ready to work. While chain pipe vices are better suited to holding large sections of pipe, hinged vices can support pipes as small as 1/8 of an inch in diameter. And most hinged vices are reversible, which means they don't need to be facing a certain way or be in a specific position to be used. This means that they can be adapted for right-handed or left-handed use. Here at Gregg's, we have vices with a pipe capacity of 1/8 of an inch to 6 inches in stock and ready to go. These vices are made from cast iron and hardened alloy steel jaws. This, plus the powder-coated finish, means that these tools are sure to last a long time. Now, the folding stands mentioned before are essential when you're working with any long pipe. These stands are heavy-duty with a powder-coated finish. They have a pipe capacity of 12 inches and a maximum weight of a whopping 2,500 pounds. Also, the height of the V-head stands can be adjusted between 25 and 55 inches. So you can fit the stand for any situation. The roller stand is identical to the V stand with the exception of the head. This head allows you to roll the pipe while you're working on it. Or if you already own a V stand but want that smooth action of a roller stand, the ball transfer attachment is designed to attach to the V head stands and allows you to not only roll the pipe but to slide it as well. If you have any questions about these great tools, please don't hesitate to call us or leave us a comment down below. Or you can visit our website at greggdistributors.ca. Now, I won't hold you here any longer, but I would like to thank you for watching another great episode of Gear Up with Greggs. Have a great Canadian day.